What's the cheapest thing you ever did? One time I went and got a rental of my car of the exact model, manually swapped all 4 tires from my car to the rental, then took it back. This is illegal. Why? Surely they just take photos of the car before and after? I don't know. I think this is...
Actually,
Why don't people in zombie apocalypse stories ever just wear suits of armor? You think any zombie is gonna get their rotting jaws through this? Finally, someone with brain. Now give me the brain, I'm zombie. Ugh. Olive oil, made of olives. Vegetable oil, made of Lyrics to Macarena. Macarena. Actor Tom Holland reveals his agency mixed up the names and mistakenly sent him Tom Holland's Marvel bonus. Oh, I even read it wrong. For no reason. Oos. Ah, phew. Okay, time to work. Okay. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just gonna start. Okay.